Is suing her former live-in boyfriend, 24-year-old Dale Clevin, for unpaid bills, a stolen watch, and an assault.
Ms. Finisher, the defendant is your former live-in boyfriend. You claim he owes you for a whole bunch of things from when you were living together, some bills, some rent.
The next thing would be my car. My car broke down several times. We were both using it to go to work. I have text messages saying he was going to help pay for that and pay for the phone bill. And he never paid for any of it. I have promises from him saying he was going to help pay things, text messages, proof of doing it. He never did it. He said, when I get time, when I get money. All his money that he had, he was going towards gambling, booze, cigarettes, and nothing else.
What else? I'm not your mother, and I'm not a therapist. That's fine. That's what they filed.
They don't encounter each other casually. That happens by design, and I think actually it was not her fault. It was the president's design. From what I read in the accounts, he was the one who
What would you have done
forward.
if you had been the Attorney General in this position and you got word that he wanted to come on board your plane to say hello?
I like to think I would have either said no, or that I would have insisted that one of my staff be there for the meeting. But you know what? If I hadn't, somebody would have tapped me on the shoulder and said, hey, boss, don't do this.
Because
as in fact happened while I was here.
That's right. And actually, you did say, I'm not going to hear certain cases in which there was just even the appearance
My
of a conflict.
son was representing a defendant in the Bernie Madoff case. Not Madoff, but somebody far down the chain. I didn't have anything to do with the Madoff case.
And you recuse yourself
Yes.
from having anything to do with it. Should she do that? I mean, does this meeting justify that, or is it a combination because the White House has also come under pressure here because President Obama has endorsed Hillary Clinton while his Justice Department is investigating her criminally?
The problem is the whole set of circumstances undermines public confidence in the department, and in the result, you have months of effort by hundreds of FBI agents, by dedicated prosecutors within the department. John Carlin, who is the assistant AG in charge of the National Security Division, is involved in this. I mean, the National Security Division is involved in this investigation. He is a straight arrow. Everybody working on this case is a straight arrow, and you put a cloud over everything they're doing by having something like this take place.
What should she do? How can she remove the cloud?
She can remove the cloud by putting in place a procedure that is there for the taking. That is, you take yourself out of it, and you put the Deputy Attorney General, Sally Yates, who is a very capable lawyer, really has the same background that Loretta Lynch herself has.
Judges handing children over to women when there is a standing law. It's supposed to be joint custody first, and only if the judge finds a pressing reason, a dangerous reason, the mother